Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome dynamic stretching for tight hips. If you feel like you wake up a little tense in the mornings, or you sit a lot during the day, or if you even have lower back pain, this can help, all right? So we're gonna enjoy ourselves, we're gonna have fun, and let's get into it. All right, we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain the movements, proper form, a little bit more, and then set number 2 and 3, no talking, we just go straight through the routine, all right? So starting with our first stretch, it's going to be a static side lunge, all right? So we're gonna have a wide stance, a nice wide stance, and you can have your hands in front of you, clasped in front of you, or on your hips. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend one knee at the side, all right? And go over to that side where it's bent. Nice side lunge, up, and then the other side, all right? We're gonna be doing that continuously for 30 seconds. Let's go. All right, so when you are coming down into this lunge, it's okay to lean forward a little bit. That's only natural. The thing I want you to remember is to keep a straight back, all right? Straight back, you don't wanna arch, and you don't wanna round over as well, all right? So nice straight spine, breathing in your nose, out your mouth. You can go slower if you'd like, if that feels good. It's not about, how fast you're going. This is a stretch, so, if you want to go a little bit slower or a little bit faster, because that feels good, that's fine, but don't go too fast. It's a stretch, not an exercise. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come up. Very good. Next is probably my favorite one. It's really cool. You would never think of it to stretch your hips, but it works. It's really cool. We're gonna go into a half kneel. All right, so one down, your knees on the down gently. You can put a little towel there if that makes you feel better. All right, and our bottom half is going to stay like that. This position is gonna help us stay like that. And what you're gonna do is with one hand, reach over to the other side. So you are twisting, maintaining your lower body as is, all right? So isolating your top part, twisting, and then coming back, all right? Hold for 5 seconds, and then twist, and come back, all right? We're gonna do 30 seconds each side. So go ahead and get in ready position, 30 seconds, and let's go. If you find that it's a little bit difficult to balance here, go ahead and hold on to a wall or a chair, anything that helps you stabilize, all right? And keep your chest up. I just caught myself going downwards, but no, nice proud chest, all right? Just going to the side, keeping your hips in place, very good, and come back. Shoulders are pushed away from your ears. Nice, long, elegant neck, and breathing, very good. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Go ahead and switch. And 30 seconds, other side. Alrighty, so taking your time here. You really wanna make sure you're twisting here so that you feel it in your hips. If you're kind of just, moving your shoulders, then you're not really gonna feel it in your hips. So make sure your entire torso is twisting. You're gonna reach, 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 and come back, very good. Awesome job. Big breaths. Almost there, and 3, 2, 1, very, very good. We're gonna go ahead and take it to the mat. You're gonna sit down, and we are going to be doing a 90-90 switch. I'm gonna give you 3 variations for this one, all right? So, one knee is bent in front of you, and the other is bent behind you, all right? So like so. All right, it's kind of like a half pigeon pose. Pigeon pose would be straight, but we're bending that back leg. And what you're gonna be doing, the first variation is your hands are behind you. So you have the support of the floor, and what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be switching from one side to the other. Oof, that already feels good. That's variation number 1. All right, if you feel like you don't need the support of the floor, go ahead and lift your hands up And try doing it without the support of the floor. A little bit harder, huh? And then the third one, if you really want to challenge yourself, if those first two aren't really doing it for you, you're gonna go ahead and lift up when you switch. And lift up. All right, 3 variations for you. I was kind of traveling. I was started back here and I was traveling little steps. All right, choose your variation. Big breath, starting position, and let's go. Very good. Take this at your own pace. You can also hold it here in this position if it feels good, and then switch when you're ready. Not as easy as it looks, but super, super effective. This is a great exercise to do in the morning for hip mobility. Try not to travel too much, travel off the camera. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And very, very good. Awesome job. Our last but not least exercise of the set is going to be a knee to chest. All right, so we're gonna be laying down. All right, go ahead and lay down, nice and straight, extended legs. And what you're gonna do is bring your knee, one knee to your chest, hold for a few seconds, down, and then switch. All right, keeping your shoulder blades on the ground the entire time and have your lower back pressed to the floor. So we don't want to arch like this. We want it nice and pressed down. You're gonna tilt your pelvis and press down that lower back, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Nice extended body, and let's go. So go ahead, grab one. Big breath, and release. And then you'll go to the other one. Very good. And if you want, you can even do double. Once you do each side, you can go ahead and do a double. And then go back and start over. Very good. Big breaths, long, elegant neck. Even in this position, remember to push your shoulder blades away from your ears. Nice straight back. Alrighty, finish out your set. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and finish the one you were doing. And down. Go ahead, extend your arms up. Very, very good. And that was it, my beautiful people. Set number 1 of dynamic stretching for tight hips. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't go far. We're gonna do set number 2. Go ahead, grab some water, breathe, stretch, whatever you need in those 5 seconds, and then we're gonna get it at set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, dynamic stretching for tight hips. You know what to do. We're gonna be doing our static side lunges, and then we're doing our kneeling with the rotation, half kneel with the rotation. Then we're doing our 90-90 switch and ending it with some knee to chest, all right? Big breath, starting position, nice wide starting position, starting with our static side lunges, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead and take it down to a half kneel. Big breath, half kneeling with rotation. 30 seconds, let's go. 30 seconds, one side. And 3, 2, 1. And very good. Switch legs. Big breath. 30 seconds, other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, take it down to your 90-90 position. 90-90 switch, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, gently lay down for our knees to chest. Alternating knees to chest, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, extend. Alrighty, that was set number 2. You did great. Go ahead, grab that water, take a second, breathe, stretch, and we're gonna go for set number 3. Alrighty, set number 3, you got this. I hope you're feeling those stretches starting to feel good, nice and loose. I hope you're enjoying it. We're gonna do set number 3 now. Big breath, starting with our static side lunges, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead and take it down to a half kneel. Big breath, half kneeling with rotation. 30 seconds, let's go. 30 seconds, one side. And 3, 2, 1. And very good. Switch legs. Big breath. 30 seconds, other side. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, take it down to your 90-90 position. 90-90 switch, 30 seconds, and let's go. and 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, gently lay down for our knees to chest. Alternating knees to chest, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, extend. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your dynamic stretching for tight hips. If you're ready for another one, go ahead, rewind, get to that 4th set. If not, let us know in the comments below what you thought, and then go ahead and check out our channel, subscribe, click the bell, because that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on the next one, and I hope to see you there.